Ganga, did you want to say something?
Yeah, we are standing in Detroit downtown to condemn the rape and the murder of this young little girl in Hartas, UP. So we condemn the UP government, the Indian government, and the community, the so-called dirty community, the Thakur community or the dirty Brahmin community, who are literally, going after the poor girl. They want to fight all these Thakurs and Brahmins. They go to China border. Okay, go to China border and show your bravery. You Thakur, you Brahmins of Hathras, go to China border. Okay, then show your this thing. And do you know what did you do for the last say 800,000 years? The Mughals came, we hidden behind them. The British came, we hidden behind them. We gave their families to them so that you can get property, right? Show your bravery to China. Okay? Thakur Brahman. Hell with you. I don't know what to say. Bad words are coming. Okay.
सर आपको कुछ कहना है?
We are here in Detroit downtown to protest the murder of Manisha in Hathras, Uttar Pradesh in India. So some brutal act by the police and the upper hand, the Hindu caste system. So here we are there to protest that the thing which happened in India. So we are all gathered all across the US. We are protesting from Ambedkar Association, North America, about the things happened in India.
Would you like to express yourself?
Today we're here to condemn the brutal rape and murder and caste atrocities that were inflicted upon an entire family and an entire community in Hathras, UP. As citizens of India, I think we should demand justice. It is important that we hold the perpetrators to account, that we unravel this entire system of injustice that lets these horrific acts happen, and that it not just lets the perpetrator go away, but actually shields them. We need to ask for accountability from a democratically elected government, and today we're here to demand answers and to express solidarity with the entire community.
Thank you.
So we are here today at Detroit, Michigan, condemning the attack at UP at three places: Hathras, Azamgarh, Bulandshahr, and we are here with a friend from IMC, AID, PASC, ANA, AIM. Everyone is here to protect the rights for the victims. They need quicker judgment. There is no time to wait and get the justice for the people who are suffering there. This Detroit downtown is famous for the automotive. There are a lot of automotive companies are located here, and a lot of Indians are come to work in the automotive industry. Not only the white collar workers, but the blue collar workers here. So you can see this is another monument here.
Yeah, downtown. Again, as I mentioned, this feast is very famous for the rights of the African Americans and the colored people. So it is saying race in USA, caste in India are to be zero. Abolish. Dalit life matters. We should stop calling Dalit oppression. Hashtag Hathras. End caste apartheid now. Let's end the caste system. Endorse the United Nations draft. One is the culprit. This is very important. Stop combine Dalits, stop combine Dalits, stop combine Dalits. There's a lot of brutality by the police. We need the police reform in India too. And we need to reclaim the dignity of the Dalits. And we need, this is Dalit Mahila Swabhiman. Again, this is called the Atrocity Nation India. You guys know how many atrocities are happening in India. Every day there are 20 women from the Dalit families are getting raped, getting killed. Lot of things are happening and no one is noticing. So Indian government, please listen us. We are in the small numbers, but our voices should be in the large. Don't consider we are a small number means we cannot do anything. We can raise our voices. As long as we not get justice, we'll raise our voices to get justice. We'll go to United Nations, we go to the international courts to get justice. Again, this call of the survey in 1600 villages show that Dalits are discriminated in 90 different ways with 45,000 cases of caste atrocities every year. And this is the data. Again, we are not just claiming this as a fake news, but this is the data, and this is the Joe Louis monument right here at Detroit, Michigan. Thank you for watching.
Very sobering and a somber event. One we wish that we would not have to come, but it is the reality of how the self-respect for Dalits, for the religious minorities, has to be reclaimed. Over here in the USA, there is a lot of arrogance with the Hindutva fascist supremacists, people of that thinking, and they are basically aligning and becoming politically more powerful.
That's correct.
So, the Dalits of India, the oppressed classes from everywhere are looking to this great, beautiful country, and the people that live here to support them morally and with our actions. We know that this thinking, the Hindutva fascist ideology that suppresses, does not give basic human rights and human, I should say, dignity. More than rights, it's as being treated with dignity as a human being. Self-respect, respect, आत्मसम्मान, सम्मान से जो ट्रीट नहीं किया जाता है, वैसे लोग यहाँ पे भी हैं और वो पॉलिटिक्स में बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव हुए हैं. So right now in elections in America, to condemn what has happened in UP, in a village called Hathras, the cowardly Takus the so-called Brahmins, were have shown their bravery to a poor girl who is a working girl. She was in a farm, going behind her and pulling her from the back with her dupatta and raping her and ultimately murdering. My question to these Thakus and Brahmins and so-called dominant caste, you guys are cowards. You are cowards. If you want to show your real bravery, go to China border. Okay? China border. You Brahmins and Thakus and so-called dominants, they are here for last 2000 years. What did you do? There were so many invaders to India, right? Did you fight them? No. You sold your families to them so that you can get their property. And with those properties, now you think that you are big. But you guys are cowards, worse than animals. That's the message you want to pass it to you. And first, the Hinduism is a fake. When you say Hindu, it's nothing but caste. So just simply don't say that you are a Hindu. Simply say I am this caste. Okay? And make your own country and get out of that very place. Okay? You are a caste.